We all have different kinds of people in our life. Some will inspire you, support you, whereas some of them will drain you emotionally and create lot of stress unnecessarily. So the people whose behavior adds negativity and upset in your life are usually toxic influences. So in today's video, let's check out how to identify and deal with toxic people.
Make a love shout out to all my brothers and sisters out there. Today we will be discussing about what is a toxic person. A toxic person for me, guys, is a toxic person is anyone whose behavior adds negativity into your life, or they need attention, special attention, or seek attention, and sometimes it upsets your life. And many times people who are toxic are dealing with traumas, and maybe they are stressed. That's why they seek for attention, and they are making you annoyed. People annoyed us sometimes, and that's what make them toxic. Yeah, that's all for me.
Hello, my name's Lydia Ray and I'm here to voice my opinion on toxic people. So, I just see them as another person, and until you know their personality, you can't really judge someone. Because I don't judge people by how they look, because I teach about acceptance, teach about anti-bullying, I teach about people just accepting other people for being who they want to be. Obviously people have different opinions, it's a freedom of speech, but I just don't think that it's right to call them toxic people, because, until you've met them, and if you have met them and they are quite, judgy, then just leave them be, because that's their personality. You can't change someone, and obviously you can change the way they think a little bit, because, I promote kindness and I think people should be kind, because if people aren't kind, how do you expect to get friends? How do you expect to get a job if you aren't kind? So just make sure to be kind to everybody you meet. But yeah, that's all I promote, and obviously I do YouTube videos as well, but I make sure the people always feel included and stuff.
Toxic people are everywhere. We all have experienced them in our life. They can be your friends, your relatives, even the family members. These people will constantly make you feel bad about yourself. They will try to manipulate you, criticize you, or create a drama for small things.
As we just saw the opinions from different people, that toxic people are everywhere. It's important we begin to recognize these toxic people around us and create boundaries to improve our mental and physical health. Let's look at 6 common signs to identify toxic people. Toxic people feel they are right all the time. These people never accept their mistakes and always blame others for everything. They can even go to great extremes to prove themselves right. It doesn't matter how small the matter is. They will argue their point of view until you give up out of exhaustion. Toxic people will often lie compulsively, not just to others but to themselves as well. They try to convince that their lies are reality. They are good at making up stories, creating variations from the truth, and are also habitual of omitting critical facts. Due to this reason, these people cannot be trusted or relied upon for advice, opinions, or the decisions you make in life. We all come from different backgrounds, have different experiences, and it is completely natural to have different opinions, goals, dreams, and to simply behave differently. And everyone cannot be same. But toxic people cannot accept anything that is different from them. Rather, they enjoy judging others' behavior and commenting on it. They will often judge others for their appearance, job, financial situation, relationships, family status, and more, because they have the tendency to believe they are far better and superior than anyone else around them. We all know healthy people always encourage and empower you to be your best, but toxic people are great manipulators. They tell people that they know what's best for you and use it as a tool to put you down. Guilt is a powerful weapon, and toxic people know how to use it wisely. They will always try to control you and get what they want by making you feel guilty. People who genuinely care about you will always celebrate your victories. They will support your dreams and help you accomplish your goals. But on the other hand, toxic people will see your success as a challenge for them. They will try to compete with you in everything you do. Something is always wrong. They always have a problem in everything. And of course, once a problem is solved, another one emerges. And all what they want is your empathy, sympathy, support, but not your advice. Even if you offer help and solutions, they never want to fix anything. Instead, they keep complaining about everything. Did someone pop into your head when I explained these toxic personality traits? Whether it's personal or professional, we all need to find ways to gracefully handle toxic personalities. So now let's look at some simple techniques which we can incorporate in our daily life to deal with them. The first one is set boundaries. Boundaries are very essential. Setting boundaries involves deciding what you can and what you cannot tolerate. Communicate these boundaries clearly and stick to them. Boundaries are often way of taking care of our mental health first. Practice distancing. Maintaining physical distance and emotional distance from toxic people is absolutely necessary to maintain our own mental peace. Trying to spend less time with such people and not taking their things personally on emotional level is very beneficial to minimize their negative impact on us. Don't try to change them. We can never change anyone. The change has to come from within by putting appropriate efforts. But we all can do is change our own reaction towards them. We can try not to respond and keep calm while focusing on our own mental health. Many people who are toxic have lost faith in humanity and kindness. They have lost hope in truth. They feel that they need to be cunning and dishonest to survive. So the strength of truth and honesty needs to be reinstated in such people, which requires patience. Toxic people are already fighting their own mental battle. So it's important for us to empathize and be kind to them. Even though we will not be rewarded for our kindness, still that makes us different from toxic people. Use support system. Sometimes it's almost impossible to deal with a toxic person all by yourself. For this reason, try to rely on your support system to gain a new perspective for dealing with toxic person. Support system usually includes people who genuinely care about you, respect you, support you to become a better version of yourself. So try talking to your support system about this toxic person. Chances are that they might see a solution that you can't because they are not as emotionally drained in the situation like you. Friends, remember, every person needs love, appreciation, acceptance, and support. We all deserve to have supportive and loving people around us. In fact, life is too short to spend time with people who are toxic and don't support you to be your best version. I hope this video gives some insight about identifying and dealing with toxic people. If you liked it, Please share it with others and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos.